How to change the battery on a Lexus key fob. Let's get a small screwdriver, undo this screw here, lift up, take this section out. See, there's two screws here, take them out. There's your battery. See your fingernail? It's a CR1616 3 volt. It's a positive side upwards again. Back on. Put the screws together. So that's the screws back in. It actually says positive side upwards right here on this little diagram. So start putting the fob back together. Last, put the screw in. Once that's tightened, you're done.